Want to make your edits look insane? Today, I'll show you exactly how to master this viral neon outline effect. Let's dive in! Step 1. First, select your clips and remove the background. Step 2. Now, adjust and sync the clips according to the beats. Step 3. Go to Color Adjust and tweak the colors to your liking. Step 4. Add key. Then, open the graph settings and select quad out for all of them. Step 5. Head over to Effects, search for Neon Outline, and choose either Neon Outline or Neon based on your preference. Step 6. Fine-tune the colors a bit more to match your style. Step 7. Go back to Effects. Search for Solution and open its adjustment settings. Turn the glow all the way up, set speed to 5, size to 0, and intensity to 0. Step 8. Apply this effect to all your overlays. Step 9. Duplicate the overlay clips, adjust them, and zoom in as needed. Step 10. Export the video. Step 11. Open the exported clips again and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Step 12. Add keyframes according to the beat and zoom in slightly on the clips, just like you see on the screen. Step 13. Finally, apply the cubic outgraph to all of them, and you're ready to export.